Here at the Wales Millennium Centre, we have the LG LED transparent film, the largest installation of its type in Europe. I'm Matthew Milsom, I'm the Managing Director of Wales Millennium Centre. So the screens give us the availability to connect. We can connect with visitors and audiences, we can give real-time information, and we can be very dynamic in the information that we're sharing. Wales Millennium Centre is a home for the arts in Wales, and we exist as a creative hub for all. So being able to get those messages is key. We're also able now to broadcast content, and this gives us the availability to take our messages much wider and outside. It's really, really easy. Our teams have remote access, so they're able to access the user interface and update those messages and the content at a push of a button. I would definitely recommend the LG units because of the impact that they can give organisations. The scale and the reach and the dynamic content and the live content, the availability to connect is second to none.